Hello everyone! This is Pakshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Have a look at me. I am wearing a short dress. You can see a men's style collar, placket on the center front, and the pockets. The armholes are pretty wide. I feel very comfortable wearing this dress. This dress was made on the basis of the pattern for a silk t-shirt. I've already showed you how to make it, how to remove darts, how to make armholes more loose, how to make sleeves, and so on. I decided that I want to try making a dress on the basis of the same pattern. I made this pattern using absolutely the same technique we used for making the silk t-shirt. The only thing we changed in the pattern was the yoke. There was no yoke in the t-shirt. The armholes are absolutely the same. There is a tiny chest dart here. I remind you that we moved a part of the dart opening to the armhole. You can see that it's pretty wide. I want you to learn with different patterns. Learn to adjust pattern to any items you want to make. Learn to make the clothes fit you perfectly. Learn to make clothes fitting and wide items. Learn to insert sleeves. Modern fashion allows us wearing wide clothes. Close-fitting clothes are not popular nowadays. I'm glad that I decided to show you how to make such silk t-shirts. I showed you a lot of useful sewing techniques when I was making the silk t-shirt. I showed you how to divide the dart opening. As a result, I made the t-shirt and this amazing short dress. The dress is pretty wide and comfortable. I think that it's very cool. The pockets are decorated with flaps. Notice that the placket wasn't cut together with the front. It was cut separately and then attached to the dress. It's better to make plackets this way when sewing short dresses. Some people say that we shouldn't make such plackets because we cut the flowers this way. This is what people were thinking in the 80s. It's 2018 now. We can do whatever we want. I love the fact that the placket is seen clearly. It looks very beautiful. Don't be afraid of such details. If I didn't make such placket, but just folded the edge and stitched it, the dress wouldn't look like a short one. If you haven't watched the video on how to make silk t-shirts yet, do it. Learn to work with darts and adjust armholes. Using this pattern, you can make a lot of different t-shirts, blouses, shirts, dresses, and even tunic dresses. I want you to understand that a basic pattern is not a pattern for any particular item. Learn to adjust it for any design you want. I love my silk t-shirts. They are very comfortable. I want to thank you for the views and comments. I love to get positive feedback from you. I work really hard to give you new videos every day. Sometimes I get very tired, and your comments is the only thing which keeps me working. Have a close look at the dress once again. This is a men's style yoke. We double the yoke and move the seam 2 cm closer to the front. Such yoke should be strong. I love this dress. I didn't expect it to be so cool. This dress is very comfortable, just like the silk t-shirt. Wide armholes, smaller dart openings. These details make this dress very comfortable. I realized that I have a suitable bag. I want to show it to you. I bought this bag in Paris. I love the main color and the fact that it's red on the inside. I was happy when I realized that the color of the flowers is the same as the color of the inner side of the bag. I think that they look really cool together. What do you think of my outfit? That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Pakshta Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. Thank you. Goodbye.